Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. Wyatt's here, Zena is here, the whole gang is here to kick off today's video. I'm Laura if you're new. This is my outfit of the day, what I wore video, where I typically share 7 days of outfits. However, I am headed out on vacation. My family and I are heading to the airport here in just a couple hours. And I do plan to take some days off from all work if I can, which also means filming. So I'm probably not going to capture all my outfits this week. This will be an abbreviated version of my outfit of the day. So I'm thinking I'm probably only going to get maybe 3 days in this week. Sorry. But we'll see what I can capture. All right. So for today, I have on this adorable little romper from Roan and Ryan. I got in a Trendsend. Roan and Ryan is a in-house brand from the store Evereve. And their fabrication is amazing on the items that they create. And this is going to be perfect for travel today. And then once I get there, I'll be ready to go. So I love it. And then I paired it with these Leicester sandals, which I've been loving. These are clear, so they're going to be perfect for packing. I'm not taking a lot of shoes with me. These clear will go with pretty much everything. And for jewelry, I have on simple silver hoops. I have a stretch bracelet on, a ring that I got quite some time ago. I'm thinking in a, from Leah, I think from Leah Sophia. I didn't even put a necklace on today. Yeah, so I'm pretty simple and easy and ready to go. I grabbed a jean jacket for the plane, which I didn't even bring out. It's my the latest one I just got from Cut from the Cloth. And I think we're just about ready to go. All right, I hope you have a fabulous start to your week. And I probably won't see you tomorrow, but we'll see you at some point this week. Hey everybody, it's Friday. I'm back, and we had a very interesting time away, but at least we got away. And Wyatt's ready for the happy dance. You ready for the Friday happy dance, Wyatt? What's up, YY, huh? You hung out at home with ZZ? Yep. The pups were so happy when we got home. Huh, Zena? You happy, girl? So happy when we got home. Yes. So we had we were supposed to take a flight out on Sunday, but it was Spirit, and I don't know if you've watched the news lately, but Spirit's having some major issues, and our flight never went out. Many flights never went out. You ready for a happy dance too, Zizi, huh? It's Friday. Woohoo! You're happy, huh? So anyway, it was delayed. We got through we got through security, and as my husband was like still putting his belt back on, and they canceled our flight after a delay. So we spent basically the day at the airport to just have our flight canceled. So then we had to regroup and decide what to do. And we also had to wait in line for a very long time to get either a new flight or a refund. So we had to decide whether we were doing that with our flight. So many hours at the airport. And we end up then deciding to drive. It's a very, very long drive. So basically we lost probably a day and a half just in travel time, airport time. Anyway, it's all good. You make the best of it, right? We made it. We got a few days at the beach. It was very nice. And it was a nice little getaway. But we're back. We're back. All right. For today, so I don't have many outfits to share with you for this week, but I am going to share Tuesday's outfit. In case you don't follow me on Instagram, I did share this outfit while I was away, and I just love the beach shot. It makes me happy. But I'm going to share Tuesday's outfit, which was a tank top from Wantable. It's a spiritual gangster tank. Love this one. I had it over top of my bathing suit with a pair of shorts from Express. These are nice, fun cutoffs that are super relaxing, super relaxed, very comfy on. And what else? yeah, I had no shoes on because I was in the water, right? So that was my outfit for Tuesday. I basically wore that over my bathing suit for a good part of the day, and then just had my swimsuit on at the beach. Okay. And for today I have on this naked zebra dress from my Fashom. And I love this dress. So easy. Throw it on, one and done. Such a pretty dress. Has this ruffling going diagonal down it. You probably remember it. I think it was in my last Fashom box. Put it on with, you know it, because I wear these at least once every week, right? My yellow Halogen sandals that I got at Nordstrom a couple years ago. They go with so much. It's amazing. Threw on my bracelets from, let's see, this one in the middle I got at a boutique where I get my facials, and then the two on the outside are from the Evereve store. And then my earrings and my necklace are from Glamour Jewelry Box, my latest, I think it was 2 sets ago. So the June set. And that's it for today. All right, so I have to go over box keepers with you. So let's quickly do that as well. Okay, so Monday was Trendsend, and how awesome was that box? So, so good. 14 items. I wanted all of it, but I surprisingly did not keep all of it, even though the items I sent back, I was afraid I might be sorry. But I did send items back. I sent back the denim, which was really good. I sent back the denim. I sent back the gold dress. I know many of you liked it, but I just didn't know where I was going to wear it, and I didn't know that the coloring was good for me, but I loved it. It was such a beautiful dress. What else? Because now it feels like that was a really long time ago for me. Oh, I sent back the green tops. You know, the neck was high and it had the tie front. 2 things that I just know I'm not going to grab for. So I sent that back, and I also sent back the white tank with the square neck. It was nice. I really liked it, but I have other white tops, so I figured I would send that one back. So that means that I kept the Roan bag. I decided to keep this one. I just love the flexibility of the straps. Great for whenever you just don't want to carry a full-on bag. So I kept that. Of course, you know I was going to keep those sandals. Loved them. So I did keep the sandal. I kept the Michael Stars green tank. I did keep the Goldie shorts. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to take these. I have one last getaway, which I hope goes a little bit better than this last one, that I'm going to take these on for sure. Plus, I'll be wearing them anyway. Until then. I did keep the green dress. Yes, I kept the wrap. I really like this. This will go really nicely into fall as well. Went with so many things. I kept the jumpsuit. That'll go into fall nicely as well. The tie-dye dress. And of course, you know it, I kept the jacket. And the last item, which is not here for me to share with you, is that yellow cami. I did keep it, but I had to send it back and exchange it. All right, and then Tuesday was my Decocrated. Oh, that box was fabulous. If you did not check out my fall Decocrated box, please do. Amazing, amazing items. I plan to try to decorate with them and show you how I place them in my home here shortly. So now that I'm back, I'm going to give that some thought, but such beautiful items. And then Wednesday was my Amazon Prime wardrobe, which was a good one, actually. They put together some really pretty pieces. I ended up keeping from that the coral little blouse. Thought this was super pretty. And then I kept the splendid sandals. And that is what I kept from that collection. I did really like the blue top, but I did not end up keeping it. I went back and forth about it, but I can still purchase it if I change my mind. That's the one nice thing about the Amazon pieces. Actually, all of these, you could do it. All right, and today I posted my Loft haul. I hope you checked that one out. 6 new pieces, I think, that go easily into fall transition. And there is a 60% off sale going on this weekend, so check out that video in case there's anything that you like. Lots of fun pieces at the Loft right now. All right, this was so fun. Hope everyone is having an awesome week, and we'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for outfit of the day. And the gang is all here. If Zena looks tired, she is. I literally just plucked her out of bed. So she is probably not that happy with me. But we have got work to do this morning, so she had to get up. Weekends are heavy work time for the happy crew, right? Right, Z? So it's a beautiful morning. It's already, well, it says it's 64, but it feels warmer than that. It's going to be a beautiful day, 88 to 84 degrees, and sunshine, all sunshine today. So let's see. Hello, yes. Yesterday, what posted? My Glamour Jewelry Box. Was that not an amazing, yesterday? No, Thursday was my Glamour Jewelry Box, right? Yesterday was my Loft haul. That's right, my Loft haul. So both I thought were awesome collections. I don't think I'm returning anything from my Loft haul. I thought that was such a great haul. And today is my JB Style box. So please check in. I don't think I have to tell you what I'm keeping from that one, but I haven't decided yet. So I'll have to let you know in my next what I wore video. But I'm leaning towards wanting to keep it all except for maybe the cardigan. So please check that one out. Let me know, help me decide. For today's outfit, I chose this adorable tropical vibe maxi dress that I got, hello, I see you, that I got from Old Navy last year on sale. I want to say it was some crazy price, like $12 or $13. And I paired it with my clear chutes that you're so used to seeing. Love these. If you haven't picked these up, they go with everything. They have them on the Nordstrom site. I don't think they're on sale or have ever gone on sale that I have noticed. What else? And I have on Loft jewelry. This is the Loft necklace and Loft drop earrings. And my bracelets are, I've shared them yesterday as well. These are the two bigger bracelets are from Evereve, and the one in the middle I got at a boutique store locally. And that's my outfit for today. All right, so I will share links to as many items as I can down below, but I will list all the outfits. Many of them came from boxes, so of course, as always, I'll list all the boxes down below in case you want to check any of them out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love if you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. It really does help my channel continue to grow and helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.